In this step-by-step tutorial, we'll show you how to invert colors on your iPhone, giving your device a unique and visually appealing look. Whether you're seeking a fresh aesthetic or need to enhance your device's accessibility features, this video has got you covered. It's pretty simple, and this will work on the new iOS 17 update, as well as iOS 16 and older. The first step that I'll show you is to enable the dark theme. So as you can see, I have the light theme enabled. But if I want to invert that, I can enable the dark mode on my device. I'll do that by opening the control center and then long hold on the brightness slider. After that, we'll tap on the dark mode option, and that's gonna change the theme of our device from a light theme to a dark one. But this is not the invert color option that we have on our iPhone, and I'm gonna show you how you can do that in just a second. You can use this method to enable dark mode, but if you want to do a classic or smart invert of the color on your iPhone, you want to open the settings on your device and then you'll open the accessibility settings. After you do that, select the display and text size, and now we'll scroll all the way down until you can see these two options. You can enable the smart invert, and that's gonna invert all the colors on our iPhone through the system, but it will not invert the colors of your photos, videos, and media. But if you want to do a classic invert, you can enable it, and then all of the colors on your phone will be inverted. And that's how we can invert color on our iPhone, guys. If this video was helpful to you, make sure to leave a comment and I'll see you in the next video.